How to delete LinkedIn account. So if you want to delete your LinkedIn account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for LinkedIn. And once you've searched, you can simply go for the first search, which will be linkedin.com, or you can go for www.linkedin.com. You can choose any one of that and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you can go for your profile, which will be on the upper right. Click on your profile and go for settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you can go for your first option, which will be account preferences. Scroll down, all the way down, and here you will have close account. Simply click on close account, and here you can click on continue and choose a reason why you would like to delete your account, and then click on next. And here you need to enter your password. So enter your password and then click on this box so that it will unsubscribe you from LinkedIn email communications, including the invitations. And after all of that, you can click on done. And that's it. That's how you close your account, or that's how you delete your account on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.